The Sahara Desert, known for its vast stretches of sand and extreme temperatures, presents unique challenges, especially at night. As the sun sets, the desert transforms into a chilling landscape where temperatures can plummet to near freezing. This drastic change can catch unprepared travelers off guard, making survival skills essential. The lack of water sources and the presence of nocturnal wildlife add to the urgency of being well prepared. Preparation is key when facing the Sahara's harsh conditions. Understanding how to navigate the terrain, find shelter, and conserve body heat can mean the difference between life and death. Essential survival skills, such as identifying edible plants and knowing how to signal for help, are crucial for anyone venturing into this unforgiving environment. Did you know that the Sahara is not just a barren wasteland? It is home to diverse ecosystems and fascinating wildlife, including the elusive fennec fox and various species of snakes. With the right knowledge and skills, you can not only survive but also appreciate the beauty and complexity of the Sahara Desert at night. Join us as we explore the essential strategies for enduring this remarkable yet challenging landscape. Step 1. Gather essential survival gear. When preparing for a night in the Sahara Desert, gathering the right survival gear is crucial. Start by packing a durable tent that can withstand the desert winds and provide shelter from the cold. A high-quality sleeping bag rated for low temperatures will ensure you stay warm during the chilly nights. Don't forget a reliable water canteen. Hydration is vital in this arid environment, even at night. In addition to basic shelter and hydration, include a well-stocked first aid kit. This kit should contain bandages, antiseptics, and any personal medications you may need. Emergencies can arise unexpectedly, so having a flashlight is essential for navigating the dark desert landscape. Opt for a sturdy waterproof model to ensure it functions in various conditions. A multi-tool can also be invaluable, providing you with various tools for repairs or food preparation. Lastly, ensure you have a map and compass for navigation. The vastness of the Sahara can be disorienting, and relying solely on technology may not be wise. With these essential items packed, you'll be better equipped to face the challenges of a night in the Sahara Desert, enhancing your chances of survival and safety. Step 2. Understand the climate and temperature changes. Understanding the climate and temperature changes in the Sahara Desert is essential for survival. During the day, temperatures can soar above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, but as night falls, they can plummet to below freezing. This drastic drop can catch unprepared travelers off guard, making it vital to research and anticipate these changes. Dressing in layers is a smart strategy to adapt to the cold. Start with moisture-wicking base layers to keep sweat away from your skin, followed by insulating layers to trap heat. A windproof outer layer will protect you from the biting desert winds that can exacerbate the chill. This layered approach allows you to adjust your clothing as temperatures fluctuate throughout the night. Additionally, it's crucial to recognize the signs of hypothermia, which can include shivering, confusion, and fatigue. To prevent hypothermia, ensure you stay dry and maintain your body heat. Use your sleeping bag effectively, and consider sharing body warmth if you're with others. By understanding the Sahara's climate and preparing accordingly, you can significantly enhance your chances of staying warm and safe during the frigid nights in this vast desert. Step 3. Find a safe and suitable campsite. Finding a safe and suitable campsite in the Sahara Desert is crucial for a successful night outdoors. Start by choosing a location that is away from potential hazards, such as towering sand dunes. These dunes can shift unexpectedly, posing risks of collapse or entrapment. Instead, look for a more stable area that offers protection from the elements. Selecting flat ground is essential for setting up your tent securely. Uneven terrain can lead to discomfort and instability, making it difficult to get a good night's sleep. A flat surface also helps prevent water accumulation in case of unexpected rain, which, although rare, can occur in the desert. Additionally, avoid areas that are prone to flash floods or have signs of wildlife activity. Flash floods can happen suddenly, even in arid regions, so steer clear of low-lying areas. Similarly, setting up camp near animal trails or water sources can attract wildlife, which may pose a threat. By carefully selecting your campsite, you can create a safe and comfortable environment, allowing you to focus on enjoying the unique beauty of the Sahara Desert while ensuring your safety throughout the night. Step 4. Stay hydrated and manage water supplies. Staying hydrated in the Sahara Desert is vital for survival, especially during the night when temperatures can drop significantly. Carry enough water for the night, ensuring you have at least 2 liters per person. Ration your water wisely to make it last, especially if you anticipate a longer stay or if you're unsure when you'll find your next water source. Recognizing the signs of dehydration is crucial. Symptoms can include dry mouth, dizziness, and fatigue. If you notice these signs, it's essential to take action immediately. To conserve water, limit physical activity during the hottest parts of the day and avoid consuming salty foods, which can increase thirst. Instead, focus on eating lightweight, non-salty snacks that require less water for digestion. If you find yourself in a situation where your water supply is low, consider using water purification tablets if you come across a water source. These tablets can make potentially unsafe water drinkable, providing a crucial lifeline. By managing your water supplies effectively and staying aware of your hydration needs, you can navigate the challenges of the Sahara Desert and ensure your safety throughout the night. Step 5. Prepare for nighttime wildlife encounters. Preparing for nighttime wildlife encounters in the Sahara Desert is essential for ensuring your safety. The desert is home to various creatures, including snakes, scorpions, and nocturnal mammals. Understanding the types of wildlife that may be present can help you take necessary precautions. For instance, some snakes are venomous, and scorpions can deliver painful stings, so being aware of their habitats and behaviors is crucial. To minimize the risk of attracting animals, keep your food stored securely. Use airtight containers and hang them from a tree or place them away from your sleeping area. This practice not only keeps your food safe, but also reduces the likelihood of drawing curious wildlife to your campsite. Before settling down for the night, use a flashlight to check your surroundings thoroughly. Shine the light around your campsite to spot any potential threats, such as snakes or other animals that may be lurking nearby. This simple step can provide peace of mind and help you avoid unwanted encounters. By preparing for nighttime wildlife encounters, you can enjoy the beauty of the Sahara while ensuring your safety and well-being throughout your adventure. Step 6. Create a fire for warmth and safety. Creating a fire in the Sahara Desert is essential for warmth and safety during the cold nights. Start by gathering dry wood and kindling, which are crucial for starting a fire effectively. Look for dead branches, twigs, and dry leaves, as these materials ignite easily. Ensure you have enough fuel to maintain the fire throughout the night. Learning fire-starting techniques is vital for success. If you have matches or a lighter, keep them dry and accessible. Alternatively, using flint can be an effective method if you're familiar with it. Practice your fire-starting skills before your trip to ensure you can create a flame when needed. Once your fire is lit, it serves multiple purposes. It provides warmth, helping to combat the cold desert nights, and creates a sense of security by keeping wildlife at bay. Additionally, a fire can be used to cook food, making your camping experience more enjoyable. In emergencies, a fire can also serve as a signal for help, especially if you're in a remote area. By mastering the art of firemaking, you enhance your safety and comfort while exploring the stunning yet challenging environment of the Sahara Desert. Conclusion. Key points for surviving a night in the Sahara Desert. Surviving a night in the Sahara Desert requires careful preparation, safety awareness, and practical skills. First and foremost, gathering essential survival gear, such as a durable tent, sleeping bag, and sufficient water, is crucial. Understanding the drastic temperature changes and dressing in layers will help you stay warm during the cold nights. Finding a safe campsite away from hazards and wildlife is vital for your safety. Staying hydrated and managing your water supplies effectively can prevent dehydration, while preparing for nighttime wildlife encounters ensures you remain secure. Finally, creating a fire not only provides warmth, but also serves as a signal for help and a means to cook food. It's essential to practice these skills before embarking on your adventure, as familiarity can significantly enhance your confidence and safety in the wilderness. By honing your survival techniques, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges of the Sahara Desert. If If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more survival tips and insights. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content for adventurers like you. Stay safe and enjoy your explorations.